everyone. Today we are making a strawberry kiwi tapioca smoothie. What you'll need is 1 cup of whole milk, half a cup of kiwi, half a cup of strawberry, 2 tablespoons of condensed milk, some homemade boba. If you want to know how to make this, refer to our brown sugar pearl milk tea video. And about a cup of ice or so. We are also using the Ninja blender for this. I have put 2 to 3 condensed milk tablespoons. Now we're going to put our half a cup of kiwi into our smoothie. And our half a cup of strawberry into the smoothie. I have put too much ice, but now I'm going to put my 1 cup of milk up to the fill line. And I can't fill it anymore, so this is what it's going to look like before I put it in the blender. Secure it tightly and power the blender, and then mixing my smoothie. Time to take it out. I've put 1 to 2 tablespoons of tapioca inside my cup. Let's taste this smoothie. It's yummy-licious. And this is, if you're on the hurry, this is a great breakfast and very nutritious. And yummy too. This is a homemade tapioca strawberry kiwi smoothie. Bye. See you guys next time.